Hey, this is Mark Nejma. I'm coming to you from Tampa Bay area in Florida. I'm still going over my notes from the stockholders meeting. I think there was a lot said, so I really want to take my time and give you the right information that I collected. I'll do one more video after this regarding the stockholders meeting, and then I'll do some analysis. I apologize that it takes me so long to think through these things, but I want to try to get as much correct as possible. The last I did a video, I said that Mr. Fishman said that hopefully with positive results, the FDA can approve and the company can generate revenue. That's when I was asking him how we could be compensated so much when in fact that the company doesn't make any money. From there, I further pressed Mr. Fishman with a question about the FDA and his compensation. I said, well, you were in charge and the FDA did not approve the phase 3 because you did not have enough data. I said that this was really amazing that the company would give you so much money after it really was an organizational failure and his responsibility. It was a mistake under his leadership, and it was based on the fact that there was not a large enough sample, as I understand it. And this was definitely a time when he was employed. Just a note, what does the board know that we don't know, that they would give him such a substantial pay, even though it looks to us on the outside that he really wasn't doing a good job? Maybe they know something that we don't know. Anyway, I further asked Mr. Fishman why he does not take some of his money that he got paid and buy the stocks in the company and invest it to prove to the stockholders that he has faith in the company and his ability to get the drug approved. I asked, can he do it? He said, yeah, he can do it, but he would look at it as a good or bad investment. He said he would look at his portfolio. He said that he owns 600,000 shares, and that's enough in his opinion. And then he dropped back and said 570,000 shares. I asked him if he's an investor or a CEO. He said he's both. He said he works for the shareholders and the board. I told him the shareholders want him to buy shares with his own money. I said it's the desire of the shareholders to see that. I said shareholders want to see Mr. Fishman risk his own money on his own capability to get the drug approved. He said, hold on. We have a belief that this product will be good for the market and that it has a good chance. Investing his own money is separate from what is happening in the company with the drug approval. He said there is a reason they do clinical trials. They don't know the outcome of the study until they're done. I guess he's highlighting the risk that we're taking and highlighting the risk that he would have to take. He says, we do them to put the company in a position for the FDA to approve the trials. The company still does not know the answer to the trials. Me, and my little note that I made is, I guess he's deciding the investment as a very high risk, and pivoting on his decision based on the success or failure of the trials. Fishman said he does not control the FDA, but the company is putting in great effort now, and they always have put the great effort in to get things approved. I mean, you have to admit that they're at phase 3, so that's pretty good. I asked Mr. Fishman if he would consider doing a share buyback, and Mr. Fishman said that he thinks that would not be a good idea. The main reason is that the money is needed to pay for the trials that should begin once the FDA tells the company what to do. The plan is for the money to be used for clinical trial. I have to say at this point that I think Mr. Fishman is a very smart guy, and he has the mind of an attorney. It moves quickly. He's able to listen closely, and he's able to answer very precisely. He answered every question clearly and gave the insight that I needed. When I was there, I had heard so many stories negative about him, but after really reviewing everything, I think he's really smart. I have more to review tomorrow because I did make another comment in the stockholders meeting, and I'll do another video tomorrow. But I just wanted to get this out to you because I'm slowly going through all my thoughts. It's been almost a week now, or it has been a week, and I want you to get as much information from me as possible. I wish you all the best. I don't give financial advice. I will tell you that I have not sold my shares. I'm thinking more positive about the shareholders meeting now that I've spent some time to think about it. And like I said, I wish you all the best. It's a very difficult market. It's a crazy world today, but you don't get reward without risk, and I'm happy to be taking my risk. Thanks so much, and hope to meet all of you. Bye-bye.